Perfect mornings and perfect coffee start with the KitchenAid coffee maker. Great tasting coffee begins with fresh water. Easily remove and fill the tank. Add your favorite grind. Select the bold setting for a strong, rich cup of coffee. And a dripless spout makes sure you don't miss a drop. The refined brewing process consistently delivers great tasting coffee, whether you're making 1 to 4 cups or a 12-cup pot. Plus, the flavor-preserving Thermal Carafe keeps your coffee hot and flavorful for hours. It's how great coffee gets made. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.